Hello, my name is Christine Stackler and I love to ride my bicycle, especially my darling Brompton. And this video, it's a very simple video, but I received so many questions about it. Yes, my kickstand. It's a fantastic kickstand. I love to use it. I know that Brompton, you can fold it and it can stop by itself. But sometimes I like to take a picture with the bicycle like this, you know, standing up. So I really like my kickstand. I don't use it all the time, but I do use it a lot. And in this video, I'm gonna show you like 3 hacks and a lot of little tips for you to make the most of it. First, let's start telling you the history of my kickstand. I ordered the kickstand at Amazon and I received it by mail. It was funny. It was in Orlando. I was with a family trip and I drove 30 minutes by car with the whole family in the car, and I got to the store with my kickstand and show it to the guy. Please, could you mount it? He looked at me and said, "We are packed. You could do it." I said, "Who, me?" What do you mean? Yes, we do encourage our clients to do things by themselves. I said, "Okay, but I never done it, you know." No, you can do it. I was devastated when I received the kickstand. It was so pretty. It is pretty. It's light. It's so well made. You cannot buy at Amazon anymore, but you can still buy at, yes, that's the factory. That's where they made it. It's marvelous. It's a very good one. But I did put some links of similar kickstands on the video description. So let's move on with the story. So I was devastated because I want to see the kickstand, you know. I want to ride and put it like this. And he said, no, you do it. Okay, he was right. He was completely right. It was so easy. Okay, the thing is, if it's going like this, sometimes if you put your wheel towards this side, it's too much weight. So when you put your wheel towards the other side, it make it more stable. Simple, right? So when you put your wheel like this, all the weight is towards this side. When you put your wheel like this, against, you know, towards the other side of the kickstand, the weight is more centered, especially if you have bags, you know, and you're loaded. If I put it like this, you see it? Almost fell, right? But if I put it like this, look how stable it is. I know, simple tip, but it makes a difference. Let's go for the next one. Well, sometimes we have to stop in a little hill or slope like this. And the tip is always put it like this, you know, the front of the bike towards uphill. But here's a hack. If you needed to put the front of the bike downwards, you know, like you're in a big road and you, I don't know. Here comes the hack. Put it in the other side and using a very small elastic band or a Velcro here. Because of the elastic band here, breaking the back wheel, the bike stay still. even in the slow. See, it doesn't go down. It's a good hack. I like it. It's very good to use €1 touring because sometimes you need to break it, to leave your bicycle like this for a long period of time, and that's where one more security item. The bike doesn't move, see? Is that cool? Efficient it is. As soon as I take it out, watch it. And I try to do it with one hand. Ah, there she goes. It really works. Simple, right? Hacks are like this, very simple. Is that you can leave it here and won't bother you, and use it whenever you want, whenever you need. Let's go for the next one. Before we move to our next kickstand hack, let me tell you about my kickstand. It's from Imperium Cycle. It's a multi-S. It's aluminum and it's very light. Very easy to mount it, and every time that I pack my Brompton, I take it out because I don't want it to bend. Well, another thing that you have to be aware of is grass. Yes, grass looks like level, but sometimes it isn't. Let's check it. Just see? So you have to find it a place that is a little bit higher than the others. They look the same, but this one is a lot lower than this one. I know. Very simple, right? Beware of. Well, for this next hack, we need a wall or a place they can lean on it. So this hack is useful when you have to, when you have to work near a back wheel. So you want to move it, but if you don't have a bicycle stand, that's very useful. What I do is put the kickstand on and put it in a way that that's something that you have to be right next to the bike, okay? Because it's not very stable, but it's useful. Handlebar in the wall, kickstand on the floor, and what happens? The wheel gets loose because it's not in the floor, it's not touching the floor. So I always hold it somewhere, you know. So in this way you can clean it. Let's say you want to clean it. Oh, today's clean. Or let's say that you want to pedal to fix something. It's a simple hack, but I really like this hack. It's very useful to fix my bike, to clean it. I like it. Let me show you the details. Well, I hope you did like this very simple video. There's some hacks, some tips, and it's a very simple item. I really like it. A lot of times I like to put my bicycle like this and take pictures. It looks different if I did fold it, and sometimes I like to fold it to take pictures, so it's nice to have an option. all the videos that takes me longer time to make it, lots of editing, I'll post it on Saturdays. But sometimes things happen, and when things happen, or when I get a question or something that I want to share with you that I just learned, I post a quick tip. Quick tips are very nice. I like them because sometimes I just learned something and I want to share with you. So I hope you did like it. If you did, thumbs up. If you're not friend of the channel yet, yes, please do be part of it. That's good. Hard, right? Well, anyway, be part of the channel. I love to ride my bicycles, and especially my Brompton. And I know that you guys prefer my Brompton, but I do like all my bikes. See ya. Bye-bye.